Very good morning, my dear students of Growing Soul Kids Gurukul. My lovely students, so it's time for your study now. Get ready with your pencil and notebook. Class 4, subject English, and topic is homophones.
Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Good? Yes, I am also good. So, you all are doing your worksheets and homework in time? Yes, very good. I know you all are doing your work very well and very good for this. So, our today's topic is very easy and interesting topic. Our today's topic is homophones. What is our today's topic? Today's topic is homophones. So what are homophones? Homophones क्या होता है? Yes, homophones वो words होते हैं जिन्हें आप लोग confusing words भी कहते हैं, जिन words से हम basically confuse हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. जैसे कि for example अगर मैं कहूँ that he is on the floor. He is on the floor. अब वो कौन से फ्लोर पर है? वो बिल्डिंग के फ्लोर पर है या ग्राउंड वाले फ्लोर पर है? Confusing ना? So homophones are the words which have same sound. So let's read about them. Homophones. Homophone is a word which contains two words in it. Two words. First word is homo. Another one is phones. First word is homo and another one is phones. What is the meaning of homo? Homo means same. Homo means same. And phones means words. Phones means words. So, same words. Words having same sound but different meaning. Words which are having same sound are called homophones, but they have different meanings. They have same sound but not the same meaning. They have always different meaning. Sometimes they have same spellings but not always. Sometimes they have same spellings but not always. For example से समझते हैं इन्हें. Just read this word S-O-N sun and read this word also S-U-N sun. They have same sound? They have same sound na? Yes. But is they have same meaning? Same meaning है इन दोनों का? No. S-O-N sun means boy or man and S-U-N sun means star, a heavenly body. For example, we can say he is my son. He is my son. And another S-U-N sun is the sun rises from east. Clear? Another example is S-E-A-C, S-E-E-C. They have same sound? Same sound na? C and C. But they have different meaning. S-E-A-C, C means a very large water body. A very large water body is called sea. S-E-E-C, C is a verb. C is a verb जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं देखना. So they have different meaning. For example, his house is near the sea and I see with my eyes. So they have different meanings. Third example is B-E-A-R, beer, and B-E-A-R, beer. So students, as you can see, they have same spellings. They have same spellings, but this time also they have different meaning. First word B-E-A-R is a bear animal in Hindi, bhalu. Yes, B-E-A-R, bear means bhalu and B-E-A-R, bear means tolerate or tolerance जिसकी हिंदी होती है सहन करना. ओके, दोनों की सेम स्पेलिंग्स हैं बट मीनिंग अलग अलग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, bear is a wild animal. Bear is a wild animal and another bear is I am bearing very hard pain in my leg. Fourth example is W-R-I-T-E, right, and R-I-G-H-T, right. So what is the right meaning here? Right, to write on a paper. To write on a paper यानी कि लिखना. As I am writing on this, I am writing on this now. So this is WRITE, right. And RIGHT, right. Right means opposite side or opposite of left, or right is a direction also. Okay. So I am writing with a pen and go to the right side. Clear? So these words are called homophones. Remember students? एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं. Homophones. Homo means same. Phones means words. Words having same sound are called homophones. अगर आप definition अगर इसकी लिखेंगे तो क्या definition होगी? The words which having same sound but different meaning are called homophones. Clear? There are some more examples for you to see the difference between some words. Okay students? Till then, goodbye and take care of yourselves.
Hello, my dear students. Today I have a good news for you. What? As you all are working very well in your video classes, as you all are doing your homework in time and your worksheets also, so we have decided that we are going to start our classes, our video classes according to our syllabus books. Okay? So it means from your next video class of English, you are going to study according to your syllabus, according to your books chapters. For this, I am sending you a picture of your chapter number 1, and what you have to do, you have to read that story, read that chapter and try to understand it. Okay students? From our next video class, I am going to explain that chapter and we will work on that chapter, like as you all knows, word meaning, question answers and etc. Okay? So आप लोगों को क्या करना है, जो पिक्चर मैं आपको सेंड कर रही हूँ, आपको वो चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड करना है और समझना है, और हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्लास में हम उस चैप्टर को और अच्छे से समझेंगे. Okay students, you all are excited that what is your first chapter? Yes na? Okay, so I am sending you the picture of that chapter. Okay, bye bye and stay safe. And dear students, it's time for your homework. You have to make sentences from the given homophone words in the video. Okay, dear students, bye bye. Take care. God bless you.